Hello everyone, this is Happy Day and today's dinner PADAK, which is something in common in Korea. It's basically spring onion topping with Korean fried chicken. Move the chicken wings into the bowl and start washing it with water and drain it. While you wash the chicken, if you see any hairs, just pluck it out, like this. Cutting the chicken into half. The part where you see a bony point, that's the place you dig in. Next, to the marinating sauce. First, you would need a flour, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, which you could easily pick up in a Chinese supermarket, salt, diced garlic, and a potato starch, which we will keep this for later. Pour everything into the chicken bowl. Lastly, 4 tablespoons of flour and the sesame oil. Mix it well. You will see this kind of color. Leave it for 30 minutes to marinate. After 30 minutes, cook it on the pan. Pan was already preheated in 230 degrees Celsius. A solution of vegetable oil. Using this potato starch now. Grab a chicken and coat into this potato starch, front and back evenly. If you do not have the potato starch, that's no big deal. You could just fry it as it is. But if you do, it makes the texture crispier. Set the chicken one by one on the pan. If all is done, close the lid until the coating surface is a bit cooked. If the red blood appears on top, it means it's nearly done, so wait for a few more minutes. Taking out on the dish, leaving the center empty for the spring onions. Second dish is ready. This dish goes well with rice and probably filling enough for your dinner. Bon appetit! Thank you!